In this short guide, I'll show how to buy shares of Gaxos.ai Inc., a technology company focused on industrial AI and automation. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GXAI. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to trade GXAI. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker GXAI to locate Gaxos.ai Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed result for the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll find a brief company description in the price chart for GXAI. Check the company details and the ticker to confirm it's the right listing. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for execution when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your GXAI position will appear in your portfolio and transaction history. For the example eToro link and more information, check the description below.